Alright guys, we are going to be making our bleach replacement. We've got our 3 cups of water. We need half a cup of the peroxide. I've got that poured out already. We're going to need 2 capfuls of this. I don't have the proper cap, so I'm just going to be doing 2 big dollops. And then we'll need 10 drops of the lemon essential oil. So we've got our 3 cups of water, and then we've got our half cup of the hydrogen peroxide. Let's see, then we've got our Thieves household cleaner. We're gonna do our 2, call that, and there. We'll call that 2 capfuls. I think it's about 1 tablespoon each, or 1 tablespoon per capful. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A few extra just for smell. Why not? It's not an exact science. And then we're just going to stir this up. And then you're ready to go. We use this just like regular bleach, but the nice thing is that if you want a little more bleaching power, you could put this on the item of clothing and then go let it dry out in the sun, because between the peroxide and the lemon, it's got some sun bleaching powers. So we go ahead, you know what, that's for the overflow bottle. When you pour it into a bottle, you could use an empty Ningxia bottle, a glass bottle, or a medical grade plastic bottle, which is what I've got here. This makes it easy for us to just pump it straight into our washing machine. And then, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it is foaming up in this bottle because of the Thieves household cleaner. So you're gonna wanna watch for that. And I might be able to just get this whole thing. Yep, just a little bit of foam at the top. I had a backup bottle just in case of brown glass. Oh, darn ring. No, never darn ring. But you want it to be tinted so that the sun doesn't compromise the integrity of the essential oils. So that's why a lot of the roller bottles you see are either colored, pretty colors, or brown, blue, green. So long as it's tinted, it helps protect the integrity of the essential oil. And that is how you make the bleach replacement. Bye.